Hi, I'm King Tolentino. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm gonna share to you one of my adventure. If you've been watching my YouTube videos for quite some time, you'll know that water is my element. But this time, I will try to climb a mountain. Mount Batolusong. So, why this mountain? First, it is near Manila. Second, they say that this trail is perfect for beginners. Or so I thought. Some parts have steep incline, some have sheer drop. All I can say is that this trail is not easy, but the landscapes and the views at the top definitely worth it. So, sharing the highlights of the trip in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Good morning, we're gonna go to Mount Batolusong.
Ang ating pupuntahan ay 2 oras at kalahati hanggang 3, depende po sa lakad. At ang una po natin pupuntahan ay Duhatan, 1 oras sumunod kumulang. Sumunod po yung Mapatag, 1 oras sumunod kumulang, depende po sa lakad. Tapos Mapatag hanggang Rangyas Peak 20 minutes, depende po sa lakad yun. Yun po yung pinakantuktok na. Tapos po yung Rangyas Peak po, yun po yung magkabilang bangin. Huwag na lang po tayong kakagilid, tapos yung plastic po ibabalik po natin. Yun lamang po.
Trying not to get a better sense of where we are. It ain't easy, we can only go so far. Cause every time I get close enough, you just push me out, try to push me out. And I wanna be patient with us, but it feels like you're giving up. I see a difference when I look in your eyes. Never a time I wasn't there, right by your side. No matter what, whenever you call, I will come running. But in
Wala pa kami sa kalahati, pero yung itsura nila.
Wow.
Something for you.
Bye.
Do you know what pakahiya is?